Hello CBD fans, it's Brad from Hemp Remedies, hempremedies.com. Before I start this video today, I just wanted to take a minute just to thank everyone for your continued support. But I also want to remind you to please hit the subscribe button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. By doing so, when you hit subscribe, you're going to be given the option to get notifications. And if you select to get notifications, when I make a new video, you'll be emailed or you'll get a notification via your phone letting you know that I just launched a new video, and you'll have the opportunity to view that video before anyone else does. And if there's a product on there that you're very interested in, you'll be the first person to get a shot at ordering it, because let me tell you, these new products that I have made with this new oil that I have are selling out at an unbelievable rate. Now, before I get into this video, give you a little bit of a background on me. I was one of the first legal CBD oil retailers in the country. I launched my company in 2013. Shortly thereafter, I became a partner of a company that was a CBD oil manufacturer. They manufactured products. They also had a dispensary for medical marijuana and made THC products as well. In the past 3 or 4 years, I've been the sole CBD provider to a couple patient groups where I've worked directly with not only the patients, but the doctors. I learned a whole lot of stuff. I also started the world's first CBD wholesale company that wholesales strictly CBD products called CBD Wholesalers. It's still up right now. And I also have a medical marijuana company that I've had since for about 6 years now as well. Disclaimer, I am not a doctor. This is strictly my opinion on things. Don't believe anything I say, do your own research. I just wanted to share with you guys my background, because right now everyone in the world is piling into this industry, and sadly not a lot of the people or a lot of these companies have a working knowledge of the endocannabinoid system, cannabinoid receptors, the different cannabinoids, terpene interplay, how they synergistically work with your body, and they're putting CBD in any possible product they can, and usually not in a high enough dose to really give anybody the results that they are looking for. And then when people go and call the companies up asking for advice or directions, they can't give them any. With that being said, I had 3 goals for my company, Hemp Remedies. 3 things that were very important to me. Number 1, the highest quality, legal, lab-tested CBD oil products. Number 2, the highest CBD amounts possible that actually gave people the results that they were looking for. And number 3, the healthiest ones. So over the past 3 years, I've had a lot of people ask me, Brad, why the heck haven't you released a vape oil yet? And the answer is very simple. I was not thrilled with what vape oils were made with. The carrying oil that carries the CBD in a CBD vape oil is usually polyethylene glycol, polyglycol, vegetable glycerin, and is usually filled with artificial flavors, and they usually have very low CBD amounts. I'm not going to get into the argument or discussion of whether these compounds are safe for your system. I personally, in my opinion, don't believe that polyethylene glycol or vegetable glycerin or polyglycol is the healthiest thing that you can be vaporizing all day. And if you're not familiar with what these chemicals are, I encourage you to go to Google and do some research, and you can draw your own conclusions. I'm sure that the majority of people will agree with me. So I'm so excited to announce that I finally launched a vape oil that is all natural. My vape oil, my Hemp Remedies brand Relief vape oil, is made with all natural plant oils. It's flavored with all natural plant oils. For example, we will take mint leaf and we'll put it into a distiller and distill out the oil, and now we have our mint flavoring. We do that with all of the flavorings. There's none of the PG or VG, it's all natural oil. And the CBD amounts are the highest in the industry right now. So I have a 750 milligram, a 1500 milligram, and a 2500 milligram CBD vape oil in a 15 ml bottle. Guys, when you're comparing CBD vape oils, you have to look not at how much CBD it says is in the bottle, but the bottle sizes as well. And you'll find out that some of these that say 200 milligrams are in a 30 ml bottle. That's a very weak amount. You have to vaporize that whole big bottle just to get, 300 milligrams of CBD. It's not a lot. This is some of the highest in the industry. Now, this is nowhere near as high as my Hemp Remedies brand Relief hemp wax and wax crumble, this concentrate is 90% CBD in a gram. And what that means, if it's 90% in a gram, there's at least 900 milligrams of lab-tested CBD. The final thing that makes my vape oil unique is up until now, up until this year, I should say, all of the legal CBD products were made from oil that was imported from the Netherlands. Why? The reason why is because hemp farming was illegal in the United States up until 2 years ago. So we were allowed to import it in, but United States law would only allow us to use the stalk and stem oil. This oil was high quality oil. These manufacturers, and I've sold all the top manufacturers, quality products, excellent companies. Everything I sold was high quality. The problem with it wasn't a problem. With the stalk and stem oil, you're getting all the CBD that's supposed to be in there. I've personally sampled dozens of kilos, had labs tested done. I used to sell it by the kilo. All the lab tests were perfect on them. But what you're not getting is the terpenoid profile that you find in the flower of the plant. My oil is 100% non-GMO, organically grown from Colorado, and it's true whole plant. The stalk and stem oil is still used. Why? Because that's where we find the healthy fats in the plant, all the omegas, but we also use the full flower as well. These products have a full terpenoid profile that is out of this world. If you get if you get a syringe of my 800 milligram CBD, if you get this crumble, if you get some of my wax dabs and you smell it, it smells like a bag of lemons, and that's from the terpenoid profile that naturally occurs in this varietal. It is amazing. You can learn when you introduce terpenes, and I'm not a medical expert, that's my disclaimer, but from the information that I've read, and you can watch the terpene videos on this on this YouTube channel, you'll see a video called Terpene Interplay. It is believed, according to the science, that they act synergistically with the CBD, giving you more benefit. You get something called terpene interplay, and the entourage effect makes a world of a difference. The results that people are getting from these new products, the feedback I'm getting is nothing short of amazing. The next question that's going to come up, a lot of people are starting to chatter, are my products legal? And the answer is yes. I have full documentation from the Colorado Board of Agriculture on the plant that is a certified industrial hemp cultivar. We also have full legal documentation that these products are allowed to be sold nationwide, not just in the bounds of the state of Colorado. So with that being said, guys, I want to thank you for your support. Please pick up a bottle, give it a shot. You guys are going to love this. I'm sure you'll be completely satisfied with it. If you're currently using other vape oils, this is going to deliver in ways you can't imagine. And please like and share my videos. I so appreciate when you guys do that. Keep your eyes open for my next video, and thanks again for all your support.